Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, where today we will have an unboxing of something that I picked up quite recently, and I am a bit eager to add it to the classic cars. If you've seen the shorts that I did before starting the full-length videos, you know that I have quite a large collection of cars, including the unboxing that we did on the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, also in 124, and I would like to separate them in classic cars, race cars, and dailies, supercars, and all that. And this would be, let's say, the first addition to the classic cars section. And this is an item that I wanted for some time now, but never got the chance to get it. But today we will do an unboxing and place it in the classic car garage. Also, I'm really keen on opening it because the bonnet opens up, and I'm really curious to see how the engine looks and how it opens actually, because it has some elements that I'm not really sure how to do it. But in any case, let's take a look at the box. So the car is from Bburago. It's a Bugatti Atlantic. This is one of the first Bugattis that were ever made. It is considered one of the most beautiful cars in the world, and the actual car's price goes in millions of dollars. So this is a pretty rare classic car in its own right, and of course Bugatti. Yeah, the car isn't, I can't say it is that special, but as we can see here, Bburago is working with quite a few manufacturers. So we have Alfa, Lamborghini, Maserati, Audi, Bugatti, and so on, McLaren. So yeah, they work with a lot of manufacturers on these licensed products, and they do also 132s. I have one or two from Bburago. Also, they do bikes and all that. So they are quite a big firm when it comes to models. Of course, this is not a sponsorship or anything. Just that I've seen Bburago around in in the model community, model kits. But yeah, let's unbox it. And the box has quite an interesting design. Let me see if I can make it. Unfortunately, I cannot make the screen wider. But yeah, it opens up like this. It has this latch that goes around. Okay, let's take the car out. Let's see if we can do it without damaging the box. Okay, and let's set this aside for now and for the rest of the video. Yeah, it has this cool looking presentation where you can look at it overall without getting it out of the box, without any side panels interfering. But yeah, the usual stuff. It has two screws that keeps it, or one in this case, but yeah, one screw that keeps it together, and these plastic things that keep them from opening doors or the bonnet in transportation. Yeah, because during transport it will be shaken around, and they don't want to do the doors be damaged or any part of it. Yeah. But yeah, let's take it out and look at details, because I have seen quite a few. If you remember this, then you've seen the last video. This is the screwdriver that came with the Kawasaki Ninja model for free in the package. But yeah, let's unscrew this. This is quite tight. Okay, come on. Yay. Oh, this This is nice. This is really nice. Okay, let's set that aside again. Set the screwdriver aside and take some clippers. Okay. Of course, you could unlatch them, but it is a bit of an annoying thing and I don't want to do it. As I don't need these, I will straight outright cut them. Okay, let's take a look at this beauty. All right, let's start with the doors. Okay, so these are the doors. Oh, the interior is quite detailed. I have seen this model also in black, but I think it's a rare model. So we have only this gray for now. Okay, so I see how these open. But yeah, let's take a look around the model and then we will get to the interior because it's quite detailed, and the bonnet. So yeah, starting at the back, this thing has a ludicrous amount of of exhaust pipes. So we have what, six exhaust pipes. Yeah, it's interesting. Again, for the time, for the 1920s or 30s, if I remember correctly. I don't believe it was later, but I might be wrong. Leave a comment if you know. Yeah, it is a bold design choice. Yeah, nowadays we have supercars that have the many exhaust and placed in different areas of the car, but for that era, a really bold design choice. Okay, we have the bumper, and I believe these to be the lights, the turn signals, the brake lights, and all that. EXK6, not really sure what this is. This thing, that goes all the way around the car. I believe that this shape is also present in the interior of the Bugatti Chiron. I have the model, and we will do it at some point. Maybe we will circle back to that. But yeah, this is the trunk. Okay, this might be the fuel cap. I'm fairly certain it is the fuel cap, as the fuel would have been somewhere around here. Okay, the wheels are really detailed, old school spike wheels. I really love these. These are really cool. The back window. Okay, not really sure what these are. Maybe a design choice, maybe it's functional. As you can see, we have also these here and here. Again, not really sure. But yeah, in any case, the front window, really iconic on this model, and windscreen wipers. As you can see, they are offset, so this would have wiped this on this side and this lower side. Again, very interesting detail. Yeah, now let's see the interior, because the interior really caught my eyes. Yeah, the doors open this way, and they are not the most detailed, but again, they have some details on them. The seats are fairly basic. Let me close this and go on the driver's side. Are fairly basic, but what can you expect? It's not like these are customizable. Okay, the back plate, the back has something, but the interior is very interesting. This not the wheel, I'm skipping the word here. The dash. Yeah, the dash is really interesting. It has this color. Of course, it's a sticker, but in any case, it is a really interesting detail. And in the middle, let me see if, yeah, we have two levers. I'm not really sure. One is the gears, that's for certain. But the other one, not really sure. Might be the handbrake, maybe, or a starter, who knows. And the wheel, of course, a four spiked design, era appropriate. Okay, yeah, windowless, so yeah, interesting. But before we get to the engine, let's do the front. So we have the lights. These things are turn signals. The Bugatti logo. Yeah, and I believe this was to add water into the carburetor. Now, a thing about Bugatti, if you've seen the latest models, they have the horseshoe. The horseshoe is the distinctive element of Bugatti in general. Of course, this doesn't really resemble it, but when we get to the Bugatti Chiron, we will talk more about that. Yeah. The grill is quite interesting, and as I said, this thing is to add water into the radiator. The old cars had this on the exterior, not as the modern cars on the interior. Okay, and this is something that I wanted to do before again getting to the engine. The undercar is really detailed. So we have here the drive shaft that goes into the engine, the exhaust, and maybe some other details. Let's see if this, yeah, this thing moves, and I believe it also moves the steering. Yep. Yeah, I really love Bburago models. They are very detailed. Yeah, so this is the steering column and connects to the movement of the wheels. Really interesting detail. 124. Yeah, yeah. I really love this thing. Um, it was worth the wait. But let's do the main party trick and see how we can open the bonnet. As you can see, it has little latches that keep the bonnet. Of course, this has a little problem, but in any case, we can see here this latch, and let's set it aside and see how it is open. Okay, now I see. So I need somehow to get this out of the way. Here we go. Wow, this is so cool. This is so cool. So this is the exhaust manifold that is connected to this. Yeah. Let's see if we can open it from the other side. I really don't want to damage those. Yeah. Yeah. This is so cool. Everything is die cast, of course. So this is metal. The engine might be plastic. I don't feel the coldness of it. But yeah, this is really cool. I really love this, and again, like I said, it was worth the wait. I wanted this model for a long time, but wasn't able to get it until quite recently. But yeah, this is really cool. A great addition to the classic 124 cars. Um, and yeah, this is it. I really love it. I will, as always, really love to know what you think of it. Um, would it be worth it to have it in the collection? Would you be interested in having it? Maybe give it as a gift for another collector. Um, but yeah, like I said, leave a comment down below and let's have a discussion on it. Thanks so much for watching. The link for the song will be in the description below. More photos of it on our Instagram and again in the description below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.
It's time.